everybody. Today we are learning to decode different sounds in words for reading. And today our success criteria is a little bit different. We are going to be looking at CVC words, and I'll tell you a bit more about that later. And our success criteria is I can identify the middle sounds in CVC words. Alright children, so today we're going to be CVC word hunters. So we're going to put on our CVC hunter caps on, our thinking caps on, and we're going to try and find some CVC words on this page. Now, before we get into that, I better refresh your memories on what a CVC word is. So I'm going to write it right here. CVC. Now, these letters, even though we call it a CVC word, these letters actually mean something. So the C actually means consonant. And I'll use a different color for the V, but the V actually means vowel. Do you remember what consonants and vowels are? Well, a vowel is just the letters A, E, I, O, and U, okay? So those are your vowels. Now, I always like to teach my kids this little song, especially for short vowels. I say I, O, A, I, O, A. That's how I try and remember all my vowels. So you try and have a go at saying that and see if you can do that too. Now, consonants is any other letter that isn't a vowel. So for example, you might ask, is B a consonant? So let's check. Are there any B's in our vowels? No. So B has to be a consonant. There we go. All right, so letter B is a consonant. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail with that. I'm going to try and hunt for some CVC words, and I want you to try and help me. All right, so let's read the page. There was once a herd of elephants. Elephants young, elephants old, elephants tall, or fat or thin. Elephants like this, that, or the other. All different, but all happy, and all the same color. All that is, except Elmer. So if you look at this page, we can see poor Elmer over there. He's quite different from the rest of the elephants. Now, as I was reading the page, did you see any CVC words? Now, let's look at this word here. I'm going to use red to underline. Can you see that word? That word's fat. I'm going to make it slightly bigger and write it over here. Fat. Let's see if it's a CVC word. Now, I remember CVC. That means the first sound, or the first letter, and the last letter has to be a consonant. And the letter in the middle has to be a vowel. Fat, fat. Let's try and see if it is a CVC word. So you've got the letter F. Now I'm going to check if that's a consonant. Let's see if it is a vowel. There's no letter F as a vowel. There's only A, E, I, O, U. So the letter F has to be a consonant. So that's right. Letter F is a consonant, which is the C. Let's check if the letter A is a vowel. So let's go on to our vowels. Yeah, letter A is a vowel, so that's correct as well. I'm going to put a tick. And let's see the last letter, the letter T. Let's check if it's a consonant. Well, I don't see the letter T over here under vowels, so it has to be a consonant. I'm going to write it there, and there we go. So CVC. Yeah, fat is definitely a CVC word. Let's see if we can find one more CVC word. Oh, I think I'm getting good at this. I found one more. But. I'm going to write it here. But. Now I remember CVC, C stands for consonant. So C, V, C. Consonant, vowel, consonant. All right, let's check. I know that the middle letter or the middle sound has to be a vowel. So let's check if the letter U is a vowel. Yep, it is. So I'm going to put a tick there. That is a vowel. All right. Let's check if the letter B is a consonant or vowel. Oh, that's easy. I've already written the letter B under consonant, so I know that's definitely a consonant. And let's see if the letter T is a consonant as well. Aha, there we have it. Letter T is a consonant. So I know that this is another consonant, which is a CVC word. All right, children. I've made another video to explain your reading activity. Please watch that, and I hope you enjoy the task.